Hi everyone! Have you ever tried to transfer files using SCP on Unix or Linux, only to be met with a frustrating permission-denied error? It's a common issue, and it can stop your workflow dead in its tracks. Don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix it quickly and efficiently. We'll cover the most common causes and give you practical solutions to get your files moving again. The permission-denied error usually means that the user you are connecting as on the remote server does not have the necessary permissions to write to the specified destination directory. This is the most frequent culprit. So, first things first, double-check the exact path you are trying to SCP to on the remote server. A simple typo can lead to big problems. Next, you need to verify the permissions of that destination directory. You can do this by SSHing into your remote server and using the command ls/ld/path/to/your/destination. Look at the output carefully. It will show you the owner, the group, and the permissions. For example, if you're trying to write to /var/www/html as a regular user, you likely won't have permission, because /var/www/html is often owned by root or a web server user. To fix this, you might need to change the permissions of the target directory. A common solution is to use chmod. Be careful with chmod. For example, chmod 700/path/to/your/destination gives the owner full read, write, and execute permissions, and no permissions to anyone else. Or, you might change the ownership using chown if you have sudo privileges, like sudo chown your user/path/to/your/destination. Another quick test is to try scp-ing your file to a universally writable directory like /tmp on the remote server. If that works, you know the problem is specific to your original target directory's permissions. Sometimes, the issue isn't with the destination directory itself, but with your SSH keys if you're using key-based authentication. The private key on your local machine, /ssh/id_rsa or similar, needs very strict permissions, typically chmod 600//ssh/id_rsa. Similarly, on the remote server, the /.ssh directory should be chmod 700 and the /.ssh/authorized_keys file should be chmod 600. Incorrect permissions on these key files will cause SSH to reject your connection, leading to a permission-denied message even before file transfer begins. Always ensure you are connecting as the correct user on the remote host, specified in your scp command. For example, scp myfile.txt username at remote host /path/to/destination. If you're trying to write to a system-critical directory, you might need to connect as a user with sudo privileges or transfer the file to your home directory first and then move it with sudo mv once you've SSH'd in. Rarely, security contexts like SE-Linux or AppArmor on the remote server can also block writes, even if file permissions look correct. Checking system logs, journal.exe or /var/log/audit/audit.log can sometimes reveal these deeper issues. By systematically checking these points, you'll almost certainly resolve your permission-denied problem and get your files transferred successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you troubleshoot and fix those annoying SCP permission errors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Unix and Linux commands. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you in the next video.